ancestors that they inflict me with this unfathomable ailment? What is this double-headed beast that ravages my whole community and torments me in my dreams? I must find a solution before my people are consumed by the evil wildfire.
Hey! Look at how frightened you are. Like a rabbit before a hunter's light. Hey!
Olama, what are you doing here? How did you get into my chambers unnoticed?
Hey! How can you ask me what I am doing in my husband's chamber? Or is it those your stooges that can stop me?
Who are you exactly? Do you know anything about these incessant nightmares?
It's only those afraid that have nightmares. And it's only the guilty that are afraid. Deal with your guilt and fear will disappear. Anyway, I have come to feel my husband's touch. I missed you. So get ready for me.
Get out of there. Leave now.
My king.
What do you know about dreams and things of the spirit?
Your Majesty, I can't really say I know much about dreams and spirits.
How could you, Ebube? You're a great warrior, and you come from the lineage of great warriors who are authorities in matters like this. You're a warlord and a chief guard. Your position is not just military, but also administrative. You should know that.
I'm sorry, my king. I never paid keen attention to such matters while growing up. I'm sorry. But my younger brother, Induka, is more discreet in matters like this than I. He's more discreet than I.
Oh, you just reminded me of that young lad who the cold hands of death snatched from us. If he were alive today, he would have been a member of the cabinet in the palace. Anyway, you should acquaint yourself with the elders, because very soon you will join the elders forum.
I will do just that, my king.
Great. Yes, you need to call the Onowu for me. Tell him I want to see him urgently. Okay. In fact, let him come with you.
I'll do that. Thanks.
Why are you crying?
The beast has killed Amaka.
Hey, need to tell your mother.
Sure of what you're saying?
Yes. Amaka was running right behind me when the beast cut off with her. I turned but sped up almost immediately.
Monica, you don't have to feel that way. It is not your fault.
I was the one that convinced Amaka to follow us to the stream.
And what kind of wild animal is that? I have never seen or heard of it.
It looks like a bush dog. But he has 2 heads.
Amaka, I'm so sorry.
It's a matter of urgency. The king asked that you come with me immediately.
Matter of urgency?
Yes.
I hope there is no problem at the palace.
Oh no, I can't really say. The king asked strange questions concerning spirit and dreams, and I couldn't give plausible answers. He woke up this morning acting strange and muttering words to himself.
You can see I have been working. I need to freshen up and wear my clothes. Don't worry, go. I will join you at the palace. I will join you.
Okay, please, whatever you're doing, please do it on time.
Very soon, don't worry.
Thank you.
No problem. Go,
please.
Go, eh?
See, I'm wiggling my waist. Are you watching? Yes. See, shake it like a woman. Forward. Forward. Watch my leg. You're not doing it well. Shake it like a woman. Right. Right. Left. Right. Left. Match. What are you doing?
I'm tired.
Right. Left.
What? I didn't ask you to stop. I'm enjoying the dance.
My prince, you just distracted us.
I'm sorry, I did not mean to.
I'm even tired. Maidens, let's call it a day.
No.
Same time, same place, okay?
Not so soon, Auntie Ugo. At least not now that I'm catching up with the steps.
I concur. The young girls still want to enjoy themselves.
My love, you concur to what?
To what she said.
She has to start going now. When her mother comes yelling at me, you'll be there to concur.
Don't take my mother's yellings to deny me what I love and treasure. Must I be a priestess like my mother?
Masinachi, yes! It is your destiny. Dancing is just a hobby to you, not a calling.
Well done, Mmirioma the goddess, the one who dispatches gifts and talents. Well,
my love!
What are you saying? Greetings, my friend. Ibe, what's the matter?
His Majesty the King wants you back at the palace immediately.
I hope all is well.
I don't think so, my prince. He's even angry that you have led the palace.
My love.
My love.
I have to go back to the palace now. I think there might be an emergency. Okay?
Okay. Oh, my love, please be careful. Are you coming back soon?
Is the king sick?
How would I know that? It wasn't mentioned to me. Am I a priestess like you? Mercy, please, maidens, just go back home, okay? Same time, same place. Alright? Masinachi!
Yes, the beast has killed Amaka.
Beast, where?
Yes. We're going to the stream.
Oh, yeah! Go!
Your Majesty, your dream about the evil beast is becoming a recurring decimal. Why not we consult Awachi, who will profess solution to that?
I intend sending Ebube, the chief guard, to fetch me the Palacia, who will consult the oracles and tell me the meaning of all this, and possibly where I have erred.
Your Majesty, I don't subscribe to this. You see, we have tradition and custom in this community. Our tradition and custom in this community, right from the ancestral days, has been to consult Mmirioma, the goddess of peace, to guide us in all matters. Your Highness, the introduction of Palacia is alien to our culture.
Oh no, true. Your words are wise and they sink into the bones with a chill like that suits the heart. But don't forget that this same Palacia has helped in the past in this kingdom.
Your Majesty, he may have done what appears to be good, but we all know his antecedents and that of his lineage. Honestly, Your Highness, what I see is evil shaded with good gestures.
Oh no, I don't want us to dwell on this matter for too long. Please just get ready. Ebube, we'll prepare the items for the consultations so that both of you will go to Mmirioma.
It's all right, Your Highness. It's all right.
Ebube,
Your Highness.
go and get the items ready for consultation with Mmirioma.
Yes, Your Highness.
Where are you going with your mates?
I am not a prisoner. I need to exercise myself. Go round, see my subjects, and feel the splendor of the sweet breeze.
Really? You better go with some guards who will fight when the beast comes out, instead of mates.
I am not afraid of the beast that exists only in your imagination. My hands are clean, and nothing of such will ever come my way. It is only the guilty that is afraid and not the innocent.
Interesting. You know, this your stubbornness will put you in trouble one day. Don't say I didn't warn you.
It is the evil of those people that commit atrocities which you protect with your power that will expose and get them into trouble one day. A pure dove like me fears no evil. Mates, follow me.
I could face here for Dalao.
Danger, danger, I see danger, danger, evil is lurking, evil is sprawling, danger, danger, I see danger, evil is lurking.
Ma, come here.
Where are you coming from?
Since you don't want me to learn any trade, won't you allow me to follow my heart?
Shut your mouth before I shut it permanently for you. You can never run away from your shadow.
Mother, please stop giving me those proverbs. I'm not a native.
Shut up, I said. That I let you the grace to dance does not warrant you to forget your root and your calling. Your destiny is to serve Mmirioma, the great goddess of peace. And my daughter, that is a great honor.
Mother, please stop this. This is why Ugo keeps calling me priestess.
Oh, she does? Oh, a wise daughter of a noble man. That means she is the chosen one.
What do you mean that she's the chosen one?
Never mind, my daughter. Go get yourself ready. I have feelings we'll be going to the stream today. Because evil looms in the air. Go and prepare.
Here. Yes, but I'm surprised that. Hey, Angole, Namaka, what do you say white beast killed my daughter? How can you joke with a thing of that magnitude?
Namaka, we were running in front. It was Angole and Namaka that were behind. She's the one that said the white beast. I didn't see any.
Of course, I saw it on her. But there's no sign of blood here now. Can't you see the marks? Can't you see the marks of the struggling on the ground? No sign of blood. Namaka, believe me, because I know. I saw it on her. Believe me. What have you done to my daughter? I didn't do anything to her. She's my friend. I cannot do anything to my own friend. Hey! Chima! It's my daughter!
Nim, where's Nam?
Why are you agitated? It's only a recurrent dream. Yes.
A dream?
Yes.
Just a dream? The way the information came, it sounded like he slumped.
My son, you should know your responsibilities by now. You are an heir apparent to the throne. You should be beside your father all the time. Meanwhile, the recurring dream is not ordinary. It is a sign. Just go to your father's chamber and hear what he has to tell you. Okay?
What kind of...
Nam. Where's my father gone to? He left the door unlocked. I'm even tired.
Did I?
Yes.
Maybe it is because of the urgency of the call. His Royal Highness sent for me. And he requested I should be at the palace urgently.
Was that why the prince was also sent for? What is going on there?
It is a palace matter. And I know very soon it will be resolved.
I am of the palace too. After all, I will become the future queen of this kingdom.
Let it be until then. Please, can you go and get me my food? I am very hungry now.
Call me queen.
This girl, go and get me my food. I am hungry.
Father, just call me queen.
Hey. All right. Queen, go and get me my food. I am hungry. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Hey.
I'm sorry, Father.
Well, I heard you. There's nothing absolutely wrong in you wanting to be with your future bride. But the point I'm making is that you should know that royalty is a noble fragrance that has weight.
I don't get it, Nam.
That's why you must stay closer to the throne, so that you will learn the ways of the elders and leadership.
Noted.
Good. As for the nightmares, I will handle it today.
Oh, greetings to you, my priestess.
A noble man with a noble heart.
Nobility is a virtue that comes from a pure heart. And that is what you possess in a no mean measure.
You came to my house with royal entourage. Is the palace in need of the service of the great goddess?
My great priestess, yes. Ikukwi, the evil bird, hoots at night. And the regal arm wants to prevent the deaths of infants in the land.
In that case, our destination shall be Eve, not here. We shall proceed at once.
That's all right.
Ma! Ma! Suspend your eating. We shall be at the stream immediately.
Danger, 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 I see danger.
Kwanu tobo ka ana agwa. Okwa bu Dikeh izu agbaghalị ya. N'Enugu kwu nwekwe n'obobo anya abụrụ na anya faburu ibu. Ọ nne ka ọ bụ. Utobo, the only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. Before you could move on trouble, Utobo, the only man with the strides of a tiger. I didn't My queen, where are you heading to this woeful afternoon with your beautiful maidens?
I should be asking the palace where he is rushing to in this manner and making this beautiful afternoon woeful.
When the 4 cardinal points are in danger, the center trembles. Evil looms in the air.
Why is everyone talking of evil everywhere? Are you also afraid of the evil beast?
What beast? Not at all. Not Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. Utobo na agba enwe na eli enwe. Maka na mmala ebe enwe bụ anụ oriri, mmala ebe ọ bụ anụ alụsị. Imposters are plotting evil in the land. Utobo will prevent them.
Well, that's your duty as the palace here. As for me, I am refreshing with the fresh air.
Oh, my queen. You may now please.
Why did you have to come?
I came because I'm worried. My father hurriedly asked me to prepare his meal. And then he quickly finished it and rushed out without telling me anything.
But I told you to never come here until we plan for it. Not like anybody's against her relationship, no. But they would begin to see it as a distraction to me.
I know, my love. But do you expect me to keep calm in all of this turmoil? Without speak well of the future queen of this great kingdom? Please, my love, please tell me. What is going on? Is the king alright?
It's nothing serious. Just a recurring dream of the king. But it's been tackled. I guess that's why your father was in that much hurry.
Now that at least I have a clue, is it not better than keeping me worried?
Ugom. Come. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I know.
And I thank the gods for bringing you my way.
I thank the gods too. Don't keep me worried again.
Nah.
No. Mmirioma has accepted the sacrifice and has spoken.
That is good. That is very good. Okay. What did she say?
No. Don't be in a hurry. For what she said is not palatable to the ears. An unpardonable evil is being committed in the palace. And if that evil hand is not cut off, it will consume the throne.
My priestess, you don't have the reputation of hiding such matters of the gods from men. Why do you have to start learning left-handedness at old age?
Ometalubulu? Ibo ya metako eji sebu. Even namara ya maram. Oh no. Come closer. For the matter is not for all ears.
Abomination! Is that possible? Huh?
Mmirioma nenyudo.
Hey, young man, where are you running to? You are running like a senseless man with that direction.
Sorry, wise one. It's the two-headed beast. I think it might have killed my friend.
How?
The beast appeared and I ran off. I don't know why he stood. Please save my friend, wise one.
You must be stupid. Eh? You saw the beast and ran off. Your friend saw the beast and stood. You now want me to go and save somebody who feels he's strong enough to stand before the dreaded beast. Eh? If I am that beast, I will defloor him. Even a piece of his meat will not be found.
Wise one.
Nonsense.
Wise one, Biko, save my friend, wise one.
Ono will speak. Honestly, Ono, if I had not known you for ages, I would have said... Then say something.
Don't be offended. It's just that the words are too heavy to voice out.
Okay. Is it because of the guards? Maybe I should ask them to excuse us.
Maybe I should have done what the priestess did.
Guards!
Eme, it is fear that will kill you in this life. Come here, my friend.
How did it happen?
How did what happen?
How did you escape the beast without even a scratch?
Eme, because I am not lily-livered like you. I am a man and not a boy.
Tell me what transpired and stop bragging.
Well, this is actually what happened.
I now fear you. Where did you learn those tricks from?
Tricks? I didn't do any tricks. I only baited in the great Mmirioma stream.
Luchi, what are you talking about? Who doesn't bait or swim at Mmirioma stream?
My friend, not as you think, okay? The great Goloma will have to guide you. Alright? My friend, stop moping! Listen, when you're ready to be a man, I will know. But for now, let's go. By the way, where's your machete?
I don't even know where it's at.
Amen. And you call yourself a
What's Naija now we see je?
Omonde susu ono.
Who is this young man that is not afraid of the terror of the terrible monster? Utobo, the only mortal on the hilltop observing mankind. I will want to know where he got to know the secret of the double-headed beasts. I must know. As no osisi toro ogologo, mana enwere osisi ka ibie, ka a na-akpọ osisi ka nkwụ. Agwọ niile toro ogologo, mana enwere eke nwọfịa. Ka ịkụchala ogene ikụrụ ogene n'ebe ruo okwe mba. Ọkwa na anyị nwere anyị nọrọ n'ụlọ ihe anyị na-eme a na-azụ ka ahịa. Ka anyị na-ezie mmọnwụ maka na mma egosi gị ihe melụ ike nwaanyị ji wee nwee oghere na-abụ.
What are you thinking about? Amy, don't tell me it has anything to do with the beast.
It has everything to do with it. You think everybody is from the lineage of hunters like you? You just heard it killed Amaka.
Amaka's case is different, Amy. There is no proof that she died. No trace at all. No one saw her corpse.
What really happened between you and the beast? Rather, you were the one that terrorized it.
Well, that's actually the benefits of being a descendant of hunters. You know, I'm actually thinking of going back to hunting instead of this firewood trade.
You can't possibly do that. Who will be my companion?
Amy, you better start looking for one now, or you come and join me. Because you see, this hunting business, it is very lucrative. So start thinking of what to do next. You know Choma is not around. I have to go inside and make something for us to eat.
Okay, no problem.
Your Majesty, it is late. It is unwise to remain here in light of your current disposition.
It is that same disposition that has kept me here. There is trouble in the palace and in the kingdom. Where do you expect me to end sleep from?
I understand, my king. I deeply understand. But for security reasons, I suggest you retire to your chamber.
Grief has stolen sleep from me. Ebube,
my king,
go back to your duty post. Nothing can terrify me more than what I bear at the moment.
Yes, my king.
Igwe! My husband. Let's go. The bed is set.
Woman, Leave me alone.
Eh?
You ought to have slept by now.
Leave you what? Leave you what? Why would I leave you alone? I won't leave you alone because I cannot sleep alone. After all, this night is rightfully my turn to be with you. You can't deny me my conjugal rights, oh. You cannot, Igwe. Let's go.
Olama, get out of my presence. Now.
Come on, first me. Let's go. Together. This night, I will stand here and you follow me. Till you follow me.
Guards! My king.
Don't you dare take respect close to me, you fool. I'm not here. Bata. Easy. Ewu. Apoge bata. Fool! Hey, don't follow.
Your Majesty, I don't think this should be a thing of surprise to you that your first wife has been indulging in adultery. It should not even make you to lose sleep.
Wise one, do you know what you're talking about? Huh? Do you know the enormity of the offense committed? Do you know the kind of punishment that comes with it?
Igwe, bakoni ya wife ni bakoni ya wife funa fropom. Eh? Nenu buku nwekwe n'obo anya abro na ya fa ebuka. Kama no maki ha na eme. I know that it is banishment. Banishment from the land for all concerned. But Your Majesty, this should rather serve as a relief to you that an evil woman who would have ruined your life or would have caused you death is to be ostracized from the land. Igbo.
So wait a minute. Do you understand that we are talking about one of my wives here? Who would have believed that such an offense would be committed in this land? Not to talk of my wife being the one.
Igwe, I'm still surprised that you don't know what's going on between Ono and your first wife.
I take an exception to that accusation. Do you know the gravity of what you just vomited from your mouth, wise one?
Igwe, when adaka nwekwe n'ofu arụ mana fa bụrụ ofu anụ. Eh? Igwe, ọkwana m nwa bụ Utobo. Utobo kwụ n'elu ugwu na-eche ọgbụ ya. Eh? Ana m agba enwe na-eri enwe. Maka na m mara ebe enwe bụ anụ. Mara ebe enwe bụ anụ alụsị. I am ready to bear all the consequences.
So be it.
Standing on the hill and observing mankind.
Tell me it is not true.
What is not true, my king? Have you forgotten that the king of Umosore does not shed tears?
What gain are those trifles when I'm about to lose everything that I own, including my life?
Don't say that, my conquering lion. What is this that so ails you?
Tell me it is not true that Unowu Gonapo has gathered knowledge of you.
Mbosubaka game gife. Oya chiputa go malaise wa. Ebele de melumo kuko. Ebele de melumo kuko. Okuko mutangwa ewe buru. Ewe mutangwa. So, what is amusing you girls? And why are you standing here? Come on, will you get her from this place? Ndiara. Fuck you, Sifani. Eziaku bezu baka. Mbosu baka gereme gife. Oya chiputa go malaise wa. Ebele ne meluma kuko. Ebele ne meluma kuko. Akuko mutanwa ewe buru. Ewe mutanwa ofeyalibe. Eziaku bezu baka. Stop it!
But that's the truth. I'm speaking the truth.
I know you, but I'm still shy. I can't wait.
You know.
Well, you're not the one who always calls her Priestess. Maybe she has decided to live up to her destiny, like you.
But we agreed to meet here today. Maybe I should go check them.
Are you tired of staying with me already?
Oh my love, how can you say that?
You want to go. Why would you want to?
Onye nyela amusu ma ọ gụtara ya ndị amusu iwelu nka maja anya tunye ya n'anya na amusu ahụ enyere abụọ ị na-anụ o metalu bulu ibe onye metal ya bolisi abu ibe na mara ya marom o metalu bulu my daughter, this is a bad omen. Somebody has committed sacrilege. Let us go. Yes.
Hey! The secret is finally coming out. The wind has finally blown. And we have seen the rump of the fowl. Ezio.
Father, what did you do to mother?
I should be asking, what did your mother do to us?
What did you do to mother that has left her in so much pain she can't utter a word except groaning?
Oh, she did not tell you. She did not tell you that she was having an immoral affair with you.
uttered such evil from his or her mouth?
My son, the man who said it is not too far from you. Utobo said it all.
That's all. And you believed him?
Why won't I believe him?
You believe that miserable human being?
Why won't I believe him? At least now I know who my true allies are. When do you know who returned with a message from Mmirioma? He never mentioned he was the culprit. I was even thinking it was my younger wife who...
No. I thank the gods that you are the first I am seeing here. I hope that swine is still in the palace.
It depends on who you're referring to, no.
Who else will I refer to as a swine? If not the gods forbidden viper who wants your mother ostracized out of this land just because he wants his evil deeds to be hidden.
No, I'm getting confused. Everyone is getting me confused.
There is no need for that. Make your mind intact and fight the battle because you are the actual target of your enemy. Go to Ugoloma. Tell her that the smell of the stew is about to fill the air. And I will go to your father and face him for betraying a friendship that is over 40 years by believing that gluttonous imposture. Go for a poisonous snake has hatched its eggs in dry trash. Go.
My love. What is going on? Why is everyone acting strange and keeping mute?
Please, my love. I want you to stay away from this madness. Okay? This is palace private matter.
I am part and parcel of the palace by implication. So I am part of the privacy.
I know, my love, but I just want you to go back home. Go home. I have an important message to deliver to Ugoloma now. And I will tell you as much as you can know when I return. Please.
My love, what do you mean by as much as I can know? Are you now hiding something from me?
It's not what you think. Trust me and believe me, please. Just go back. I'll tell you everything.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Right, yeah. I'll let you know when I'm back.
oracle of Mmirioma, you never mentioned who the culprits were.
I never did, because I know the culture. And I understand what respect for royalty and friendship is. Your Majesty, I am totally disappointed that you threw lifetime relationship into the mud because of the false accusation of a swine who feeds fat on you.
The same man you called names has proved to be more noble than a friend who smiles in my presence and then stabs me in the back. No wonder. It is clearer to me now why you stick so close to the throne.
I thought you are under the influence of his charm. I confirm that his poisonous venom has taken hold of your wit and discretion as a king. You know the tradition bequeathed to you by your ancestors. We shall meet at Ogugu Shrine.
You dare drag me to Ogugu Shrine to swear? You threaten my throne?
If you threw caution overboard and believed that miscreant, and without confirmation, you sent your guard to come and use those despicable words in my presence. The only solution to this is going to take the oath.
So, you have the nerves to walk into this palace after the abomination you committed.
This Jew thinks itself a rat, but does not know that its order gives it out. The only message or words I have for you is that the dance you engage in is the dance of the spirit.
Oh no, this is not a matter of proverbs. You will be banished from this land. I assure you. Why did you let that swine walk out of this palace without getting him apprehended?
Leadership matters are not your responsibility. So shut yourself out of it.
I knew it. I said it. I knew you were never going to do something about this. Because it concerns your favorite, our most precious wife. If it was all Amma now, the entire palace would have gone agog by now. And now you're trying to cover them up, Igwe.
Olama, spare me all this drama. There's no proof of the allegation.
What? No proof? Utobo the palace seer said it, and he had never lied to you before.
Well, if it must interest you to know, the Onowu has called for an oath of innocence at Ogugu Shrine, and everybody must be ready to go there, including yourself.
He did? Why would he,
You should answer the question yourself.
My prince, fear not, for I am not a fool.
Great priestess of the great goddess, I was just on my way to your house.
I know. But my prince, I want you to know that the offensive order of the shrew can never pollute the soap prepared by Chokiki. You are a prodigy of mystery. So the hands of the gods are with you.
Great priestess, today has been the most confusing day all my life. Everybody I've met since morning has left me more confused than I met them.
My prince, that is the beginning of your journey into destiny. You must not leave your mother's side. And don't forget to go with you. For the gods will be with you.
Father, what is going on in the palace? You have been running up and down since yesterday. And besides, it's been long I saw you last do this in the compound. Father, is there any problem?
There is problem, my daughter.
Hey!
There is. But not to the direction that your mind is going to. You see, my daughter, Ikwikwi, the evil bird, has perched on Rega arm. And it is capable of consuming the entire land. Not only the palace.
Father, you are scaring me. You're scaring me.
You don't need to be scared, my daughter. You don't need to be scared. Listen, Chokiki, the creator of the land, knows how to savage it. You must always stand by the prince, no matter what.
Hey, Father, you are scaring me the more. What do you mean by I should stand by the prince?
You will soon understand. Get me a cup of water.
Your Majesty, when the 4 cardinal points are in danger, the center trembles. Utobo is with you. Utobo, the only mortal standing on the hilltop observing mankind. Why are you fidgeting like a Mayman? Is it because of that which I call an empty threat from that hypocrite that is throwing you off balance? Or are you afraid because of the oath of innocence?
Yes, I am. Because I don't know who to trust anymore.
Your Majesty, why would you say such a thing? Do you know that the weakness of a mother hen exposes her chicks to danger? And it takes more than trust from the hawk to know the weakness of a mother hen. If what I'm saying is not the truth, why hasn't Her Majesty done anything? Rather, she is hiding in shame.
I have not done this because you have not been here. How dare you?
Isiako!
How dare you smear my name with charcoal just to cover up your evil? You think we don't know about your escapades? Or is it because I chose to say my lips?
Your Majesty, It is only a woman without good upbringing that runs in the presence of a man, not to talk of a responsible man like Utobo. Tell her to be careful, please.
Don't mention me.
Ezeaku.
Since you chose to believe this contract, over a man that is old enough to give you an heir like he can now, then you don't deserve this. But I bet you that which you crave for, you shall see.
Can't you see?
Utobo, leave my palace. Leave my palace before I lose it.
You will.
Guards!
King. Why you?
Your Majesty. Hold on here. Let me get to somewhere. I will be back very soon. Yes, right.
No, Father, please, Father, stay back. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you.
If I have to die now, I have not died an early death. I must have to do something. Something needful. Because I don't want what happened to the head to happen to the tail.